everyone, my name is Ananya Maheshwari and today I'm going to do the density challenge. So for this, I'm taking 2 full glass of waters, 2 lemons and 2 चम्मच ऑफ सॉल्ट. तो अभी मैं क्या करूँगी, एक बिल्कुल साफ पानी में गिलास पे एक में लेमन डालूंगी. तो वो सिंक हो चुका है, देख सकते हैं आप लोग, क्योंकि इस समय वाटर की डेंसिटी कम थी और लेमन की डेंसिटी ज़्यादा थी. अब मैं इसके अंदर 2 चम्मच ऑफ सॉल्ट डालूंगी, 2 spoons of salt. And now I have mixed 2 spoons of salt in my next water. And now I am taking the second one lemon, and you can see that it is not sink, it is floating. This is because of the density. In the first situation, the lemon is not floating, it has been sinked because of the density. Density of the water is light and the lemon was large. But in the second case, I have added some salt so that the density of water has been increased by the lemon. That is why lemon is floating here. Thank you.